Hello, everybody, and welcome
Hi, everybody.
to the Friday Fun. Boom! All right, got a special guest here coming all the way from cool California.
California. Yes, it is.
Okay, so later on today, we do have a new winner coming in for our Bikes for Kids program.
Yes.
Very excited about that. And so, if you want to get your nominations in for a child that you know is worthy, maybe they're doing great in school, maybe they're great with your family or helping out in the community. If so, go ahead and go to www.bikesforkidshtown.com and fill out that form.
And do it today.
And do it
All
today.
right.
All right, number one.
We're number one.
Hey, this is the best topic ever for you. It's how to take better photographs this summer. They're actually tips from the world's best Instagrammers, but I think we should just come to you.
Oh my gosh, yes. There's some great tips. So make sure you go back and read the article. It has wonderful, wonderful tips. The one that I love the most is about the lighting on your pictures. There's a lot of times that you see a great pictures, especially when it's like family or about your kids, and the lighting is not perfect. One quick trip is use your finger when you have your phone on you have the frame ready to go. Tap on the screen and you'll see that area light up. Okay, so make sure you do that. The other thing you can do is you can actually adjust it to make it lighter or darker. So just tap it with your finger and then move your finger up or down and you will see the light adjust. So make sure you play with that. Okay, great article. Number two.
Number two, the insurance trick of the week. How they say, oh, there's just a little bit of coverage. We know the truth that you're not going to tell us how much coverage there is.
Yes, I mean they're gonna refuse to give you that information, or they're just not gonna offer it because in the state of Texas they don't have to.
Yeah, that's right. And so a lot of times, I mean, if you just have 5,000 in medical, it's okay. You really don't need to know the medical or the amount of coverage. But when you start getting up to 20,000, 25,000, or more than 30,000, then certainly you want to know how much coverage there is. So when they offer you 30,000, you definitely want your lawyer to ask, hey, go ahead and show us proof at that point how much the insurance coverage is. And
Exactly.
if it is 30,000, they should send you over something that shows, yes, it's only 30,000.
Yes, yes. So definitely let your attorney handle that part, especially if you have a bunch of bills, or a lot of medical. All right,
Number
number
three,
three.
I thought this was great because I can't imagine our own kids doing this, but brilliant cleaning tips from a tidy 9-year-old.
Yes, well, even the person that wrote the article, she's talking about how she's not even that good, and she admires her 9-year-old. So the 9-year-old is giving the mom tips about different things that they can do just to keep up their house tidy. One of the best ones that I love is clean up as you go and do a little bit at a time. The other thing also, start assigning areas for stuff, like for example, all the toys should go in one particular area, not all over the house. And once you're done working on a book or writing, papers or whatever it is, put them away where they belong and file everything in their proper place. That's it.
All right, number
Read the
four.
article. It's a great read. Great
It
tip.
is. Number four, hospital liens, and in particular, Texas Property Code Section 55.002A states, which I'm not going to read it to you, but basically, look, if you have an accident and you go to the hospital, you're admitted in, and it's within 72 hours of your accident, and the treatment that you're getting is for injuries that you got in that accident, what the hospital is going to have what's called a hospital lien. So when you finally settle your case, whenever that is, the hospital can be back there in the background saying, I'm ready to receive my money. Okay, so we have to be careful about that. If there's a hospital lien, it has to be paid, although sometimes they will accept reductions. But it's critical that you pay those. And it's also critical that your lawyer look at those to make sure it is a valid hospital lien.
Yes, definitely. Especially, if you've been in an accident, you went to the hospital, make sure that your attorney is aware of that. Okay?
All right, number five.
Number
This was an
five.
awesome list of 44 books
Yes.
that everyone should read in their lifetime. I know you read a few of these, but I know that one of these books is your absolute favorite book of all time.
Yes. To Kill a Mockingbird. OMG. What a wonderful book. I've been reading this book since I was in high school, and I love this book. I love the movie about it too. But here's the thing, if you're not like a person that loves to read actual books, do what I do. Listen to the books, Audible. As you're driving, you can get through books in a few hours instead of weeks, because that's how long it will take me to read a book. If I need to sit down and actually hold and read the book, it will take me forever. But now reading it, oh my gosh, you can just read all the books you want. So make sure you check out that list because there's some really neat books in there. I got three
Absolutely.
down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
three down. The Millionaire Next Door is another book I know you've
Yes,
read.
we even have our kids read
Excellent.
that one.
Yeah,
It's a
excellent book.
great book.
All right, everybody, that's it for today. We hope everybody has a great weekend, and we will see you all next Friday. Take care,
Yes.
everybody. Bye bye.
Bye.